Have you ever pondered about what ceramics are and how they subtly permeate our daily lives? Ceramics, by definition, are non-metallic, inorganic solids. They're created through heating and subsequent cooling. Now, what's fascinating about ceramics is their omnipresence. From the coffee mug you sipped your morning brew from, to the porcelain tiles under your feet, even to the silicon chips powering your devices, ceramics are everywhere. So, ceramics play a crucial role in our lives. But have you ever wondered about the different types of ceramics and their unique characteristics? Ceramics, though seemingly similar, are incredibly diverse, with each type having its own distinct characteristics. Now, let's dive into the world of ceramics and explore the different types. First on our list is earthenware, one of the oldest forms of ceramics known to mankind. Its porous nature and rustic charm make it a popular choice for decorative pieces and tableware. Next, we have stoneware. Stoneware is fired at higher temperatures than earthenware, which results in a denser, more durable material. It was a game changer in the culinary world, being used for everything from baking dishes to beer steins. Then, we have porcelain. This type of ceramic is renowned for its white, translucent appearance. It's made from a unique blend of clay known as kaolin, combined with feldspar and quartz. Porcelain is fired at extremely high temperatures, which gives it its characteristic strength and durability. It's often used in fine china and decorative pieces. Last but not least, we have advanced ceramics. These are the high-tech cousins of traditional ceramics, engineered for specific uses in industries like electronics, aerospace, and medicine. They are made using refined materials and sophisticated manufacturing processes. Each type of ceramic, with its unique characteristics and uses, contributes to the rich tapestry of ceramic art and technology. From the humble earthenware pot to the cutting-edge ceramic components in our smartphones, ceramics are an integral part of our daily lives. Now that you're familiar with the different types of ceramics, let's summarize what we've learned today. Ceramics, a world as diverse as it is fascinating, aren't they? We've journeyed through the realm of ceramics, delving into the varied types and their myriad of applications, from everyday items like dishes and tiles to advanced components in electronics and aerospace. Ceramics truly permeate every corner of our lives. We've explored traditional ceramics, those familiar items that bring warmth and comfort to our homes. We then ventured into technical or advanced ceramics, marvels of modern science that drive our technology forward. Their exceptional properties of heat resistance, durability, and electrical insulation make them indispensable in our rapidly evolving world. But let's not forget the artistic side of ceramics. From pottery to sculpture, ceramics have been a canvas for human creativity for thousands of years. It's a tradition that continues today, blending science and art in a unique way. Whether it's the mug from which you sip your morning coffee or the advanced ceramic components in your smartphone, ceramics are indeed an integral part of our lives. So, next time you encounter a ceramic object, take a moment to appreciate the science and art behind it.